Let's get started.
What's good, everyone? So today is the 1st of May. I went to go get a few stuff for my trip, right? So this is not a final packing video. Once I have everything, I just put everything I got today into a suitcase so that it's stored, and I know that some of the stuff is already done. So first thing that I got was my medical bracelet, ID. So yeah, this is my medical bracelet. And then I went to go buy me some leggings and a few t-shirts. I went to Mr. Price first to get me some pajamas. It was on special. So yeah, I went to go buy me pajamas. And then at Chet, I went to go buy me some leggings. I think I bought me 4 pairs of leggings. And then t-shirts, some vests, can't go without a vest. And I think 3 pairs of jeans or 4 pairs of jeans, if I'm not mistaken. But I'm gonna show you how my suitcase look. This is not the final packing, like I said. It's just to store everything. Yeah, so this is what my bag looks like now. Remember, it's not the final packing. This is not the final packing. It's just to store everything that I know it's away. Understand? So yeah, this is what it looked like so far. On the 1st of May. Reality is starting to kick in. Yeah. Like I'm moving next month. I'm moving. Good morning, everybody. It is currently the 7th of May. I am going for my visa appointment today. I'm super excited but nervous at the same time. So get ready with me for my visa appointment. So I just got out of the bath now and I made my bed. So I'm gonna do my hair, fix my hair up, and then get dressed, and I'll show you how I look. This is what I look like. Ready, let's go. What's up, everyone? And I'm back home. My visa got approved. Your visa is approved. Don't play with me. I am so excited. I can't wait. Now I am counting down the days patiently. Oh, and I got myself a new suitcase. I forgot to vlog me buying a new suitcase. But yeah, today was just all about the visa. I'm so excited. Also, guys, when I went to go do my Schengen visa for Germany, there wasn't so much protocol. When I got into the visa thing, you get in, you have to give your phone in. You must give your phone in. Your bag go through a scan thing. What? Why so much admin? Also, I thought my application is gonna take long. I thought the line is gonna be full. But it took me about 5-10 minutes and I was done. They just asked me 2 questions. My what do you call this? My advisor gave me a whole list of questions that possibly might be asked. So the questions he gave me was the questions I got asked for my Schengen visa. But for my US visa, they didn't even ask me all that questions. They just asked me literally, where am I going? And is it my first time being a counselor? So I was stressing for nothing. literally nothing. But yeah, that's the end of this video for today, for my vlog. The next one is, I don't know, we'll see. You'll see the process. But yeah, bye. Stopping everybody. Today is the 13th of May. I don't know where I came with 17th, but the day is the 13th of May. And I'm gonna collect my visa. I thought it's gonna take 2 weeks to receive it, but literally tomorrow would have been a week. But yeah, let's go fetch my visa.